Hi there. Just wanted to make sure everyone is understanding this presentation assignment that's due either week 3 or week 6. This is not the poster presentation, which is due week 12. That's something different. It's a bigger assignment, and you need to make sure you read through the assignments so that you're aware of what it is you're doing and not just make assumptions. So this is for those of you presenting in week 3 or week 6, these groups that you would have signed up for would just have said morning or afternoon, and it wouldn't have said poster topic because that's not what this assignment is. It would have just said group A or group B, morning or afternoon. Okay, so that's for this assignment. The poster topics are for your annotated bibliography and for your poster presentation in week 12. So going back to the assignments tab, your topic is according to your group number. So if you signed up for group number 1, a group A, then you know that your topic is going to be number 1. So if you look on the assignment down below, topics for group A, week 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whichever group you were, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in group A, that is your topic. If you are in group B, you're presenting week 6. And again, if your assignment is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's your topic. So you just have one topic that you'll present on. So for example, in the Blackboard of groups, so when you go to tools, you should be able to see your group because you've already signed up for your groups for this. But so for groups, so for group A, morning, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So whatever your numbering here is, that's the number that you're doing on this assignment. So for example, morning 2, this group of individuals is doing number 2. So you will go to the chapter that's beside your number and you will do the topic that's there. So for the Body's Defense System, chapter 14, you're doing a section of chapter 14. You're doing a section of chapter 14 for number 3. You're doing a section of chapter 15 for this one and for this one. Number 1, you're looking at the whole chapter. The same will go for group B. You're doing a part of chapter 12 and 17. You have to read your topic title and then you're going to summarize it. So summarize that topic and know that some of it is review and bring it forward to the students in a presentation that will be 7 to 10 minutes in length. Every person must participate. You will hand in your presentation, so you'll submit to me the PowerPoint and any aids you use. You want to create a short quiz. It can be a Kahoot or it can be a handed out quiz with true and false or multiple choice. I must get a copy of that with the answers, and if there's some good questions, I might use them in the test week 7. So this is a very short assignment. If there's 2, 3, 4 of you working on it, it should not take you long. You each would read the chapter and then take out the parts from it that you feel are important. The presentation, again, will be 7 to 10 minutes, but again, it can be 7 minutes if you're finding that your topic is short. If you have any other questions about this assignment, please don't hesitate to ask. It is weighted at 5%, and those of you that present this week will be done, and then there will be a group that will do theirs in week 6 on different chapters. Again, if you have any other questions, be sure to email me.